Hello guys, once again welcome back to Commerce class. Today I'm going to start new chapter that is management. This topic not only useful in business point of view but also helpful in personal life. That's why this is my favorite topic in commerce. So let's get into the topic. What is management? The process of dealing with or controlling things or people can be called as management. The organization and coordination of the activities of business in order to achieve defined objectives. Management is often included as a factor of production along with missions, materials, and money. There are different scholars and analysts given various definitions regarding management. But one of the scholars, George R. Terry, has said that management is a distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, accumulating, and controlling, utilizing in each both science and art, and followed in order to accomplish predetermined objective. Management consists of the interlocking functions of creating corporate policies, organizing, planning, controlling, and directing an organization's resources in order to achieve the objectives of that policy. Generally, the word management is a very popular term used extensively for all type of activities and mainly for taking care of different activities in an organization. Management is a vital function concerned with all aspects of the working of an enterprise. The term management is used in many senses. It may be considered as an activity, as a group, as a discipline, as a process, as an art of increasing productivity, and many more. So first let us discuss about how management is considered as an activity. In our daily life, we do various activities performed by human beings such as writing, playing, eating, cooking, etc. Same way, management is also an activity because a manager is one who accomplishes the objectives by directing the efforts of others. Not only that, management guides, directs, regulates, and integrates efforts of people towards the achievement of some common goals. When we talk integrate in management, we need to talk about 6 M's of management, that is manpower, money, material, machinery, methods, markets. When we put these 6 M's in management, the activities of management can function effectively and efficiently. Next, management as a group. Management as a group refers to all those persons who perform the task of managing an enterprise. When we say that management of ABC and Co is good, we are referring to a group of people, those who are managing. Thus, as a group, technically speaking, management will include all managers from the chief executive to the first line manager, which means lower level manager. But in common practice, management includes only top management, such as chief executive, chairman, general manager, board of directors, and etc. In other words, those who are concerned with making important decisions, those persons enjoy the authority to use resources to accomplish organizational objectives and also responsibility for their effective utilization. Next, management considered as a discipline. Management as a discipline refers to that branch of knowledge which is concerned to study of principles, practice of basic administration. It specifies certain code of conduct to be followed by the manager and also various methods for managing resources efficiently. These days, management became as a course of study which is now formally being taught in the institutes and universities after completing a prescribed course or by obtaining degree or diploma in management. A person can get employed as a manager. Next, management considered as a process. As a process, management refers to a series of interrelated functions It is the process by which management creates, operates, and directs purposive organization through systematic, coordinated, and cooperated human being efforts. As we already stated, the statement of George R. Terry, management is a distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, activating, and controlling, performed to determine and accomplish stated objective by the use of human being and other resources. This is what introduction about management. Next we can discuss about objectives of management. Thank you.